friends, tell them don't be making any other plans, cause we all up in the mood to go and drop a couple bands. Drop a couple bands. Drop a couple bands. Drop a couple bands. Drop a couple bands.
It's that old school flow, cause I'm an old school guy. I have a lot of feelings, but I like to keep them inside. And when I smoke weed, I prefer to do it outside. And when I cruise around, the windows down in the ride. And when I drive, I turn the stereo as loud as it goes. I've been around a lot of people that push it up they nose. Yo, I'm down to drop a couple bands. Girl, you gotta do it with no hands. I can't